Now, steps for career counseling. As I said, firstly, you have to take psychometric test. I will explain you how to take that. You have to go to this website called smartcareergoals.com. Okay, when you come down here, you can access this in a laptop also and also in your smartphone. So if you are in class 8th to 12th, yeah, you can take this as a psychometric test. If you are doing graduation or if you have done graduation and it's been 1 year that if you have done graduation, you have not worked anywhere, or if it is less than 1 year that you're working, then for graduates, this is the case. Now you have 1 or more year of experience, then that's called professionals. Okay. Now imagine you are in this category. Okay, that is you are in 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th or 12th. You come here and you write your name. Okay, I just write here as Raghav, and you can choose any. If you are in 11th class, you choose 11th here. Okay, just go next. Okay, what's your present stage? You know, if you are doing science, if you're doing maths, where are you today? We need to understand. Okay, if you want to give psychometric test in Kannada, Marathi, English, Hindi, a lot of other languages are available. Whichever language is comfortable to give the test, you can choose that. So this test you should continue for at least it will go for 30-40 minutes. It is left to you how fast you read. There are people who finish in 30-40 minutes. There are people who take 2 hours also. So with a calm mind and your genuine opinion you have to give. Okay, you have to give your genuine answers to it, and then I can generate the report, and that will really match your personality. Then once everything is done, the career counseling psychometric test is done, this kind of report, with the help of this report, we explain you about your personality. Now this is one person, his name is Sanket Jadhav. I did his counseling. He's from Nagaland now. He is in army. So if you see, his present stage is in diffused. Okay, diffused because he knows what to do but don't know how to do. Okay, so this is his personality. He is complete introvert and all other things, and the details of the personality shown here. It is, you can read it and understand, and we also explain you in a different way. Okay, we'll understand your strength. Okay, we'll understand your interest type. Then we understand the interest type. We have the descriptive thing about the various interest type you are good in. Then we understand your career motivators type. Okay, what motivates you. Then all the details about that is given here. Okay, then the learning style. Yeah, his learning style is read and write. So the details of read and write, that means it is his strength, and what are the learning improvements he has to do. Okay, then the skills and abilities, that is numerical ability, logical ability, verbal ability, all these are good for him. Okay, then clerical, that is organizing skill, that is administrative skills are little poor, so he has to work on it. Then spatial abilities average, leadership skills are good. Okay, then skills and abilities of social is good. Then mechanical ability is average. Okay, so based on that, his career cluster is generated. So out of 20 career clusters, we have to choose 4. Okay, whichever clusters you want to go to. And what are the clusters is explained here, those 4 clusters. And finally, we recommend your careers in that cluster. If you see, human service was his top career choice. That means clinical psychology, social, mentor and coach are his good choice. Okay, and if you see, education and training was also his second choice. So he can become a good trainer, coach and all. He can also become a physical trainer. His interest was in sports, so he can be a good sportsman also. And public safety was his another choice, so he can become an IPS officer, police officer, CID officer. Okay. So based on all these, we also understand other recommendations are also given to you. Okay. Then finally, with your interest, what's your present interest, what's your parents' interest, together we sit together and we recommend you one career path. Now he wanted to get into Indian Army. Okay. Now what Indian Army, he wanted to become a lieutenant. So what is the work nature of it? Okay. And that is also matching him. Yeah. Then to become an lieutenant, what are the various ways educations required for it? Okay, the career roadmap to reach there, any advancement program you have to do, what is the fees, what the demand, salary and level of preparation. Okay, all these things we understand with this one report. With this report I explain you. Okay, with that you also get access to the dashboard. Now what is the dashboard? You have to go to this website again called smartcareergoals.com and click on this students dashboard. Okay, let me open this dashboard. Every student, when he is undergoing psychometric test, you have to remember this ID and password. Okay, you have to log in now. Okay, once you log in, this dashboard is yours. Now imagine this is your dashboard. So you understand what are your top choice. So if you see here, if you click here, it is top choice. If you click here, it is avoid. If you see, this person's avoid are digital marketing, cost accounting, big data analyst. All these are the careers which he has to avoid. Whatever happens, he'll not succeed in this. Okay. Then top choices. So top choices means what? You will surely succeed in this. Now if you see counseling, school teaching, retail management, then corporate trainer, mentor coach, political relationship, all these are his top choices. Now imagine he wants to get into mass media and journalism. Now when he clicks here, okay, he will get around 773 colleges, okay, in India. It's not only about your own city, around India, which all are the colleges who are offering this course. You understand all the top colleges. Now if you see for this, there is Guru Gobind Singh from New Delhi, okay. So there is Jamia Millia Islamia University, then University of Mumbai. Lot of other colleges are also available here, okay. With this you can also research in Google also, but for now you understand what is best for you, okay. So in this you can also check what is the best college for post graduation, okay. If you click on post graduation, you will understand that, and any career advancement, any vocational courses, everything is available here, okay. Now when you come back to your dashboard here, if you see there is career library. See, everything is there, okay. Everything about career counseling, what you want to do in your life, everything you can plan here itself. Now imagine you want to become, again here there is journalism. Every career, the details of that career cluster is here. Now journalism, when I choose, okay, here if you are very young, you don't know a lot of career options, right? You can just check out with various career opportunities. When you're reading that, and if you feel yes, this is the place where I have to be, that's your goal. Now this is about the career. What are the roles and responsibilities of it? What are the key skills required? What are the career opportunities? What is the salary? What is the demand? There is a vlog here, yeah, by many people. So you can watch them and make your notes, yeah. Then what is the education required? Then the career navigator for it. Then what are the best colleges for graduation, post-graduation? All that thing is understood, okay. So anything related to career, everything is available on this website, okay. So just go to smartcareergoals.com and take your career counseling, yeah. Now coming back to my presentation. So firstly, the psychometric test, I have shown you the demo. Just give your opinion, okay, and that will come to me, and then I'll share you the pre-counseling form, yeah. Then the counseling can be done. Now report analysis by counselor, yeah. I will be doing the analysis. That is, I'll take around 2 hours time to analyze your psychometric test, and I have to match with your interest. Then once your analysis is done, the Zoom link is shared to you, and we can meet live with the convenient time of yours and mine, okay. I'll be giving you an appointment time, so we can fix a time, a date and a time, and we can come live. You and your family members can sit and listen to me there. You can ask your questions, any doubts. The whole detailed route map will be given to you.